Hello theory students, just a quick video on figuring out the intervals of the 6th and 7th. Remember our phrase for figuring out thirds, CFG equals major 3. That means if the bottom note is a C, F, or G and the accidentals match, we know it's a major third. All of these are major thirds. If the accidentals match and they're sharps, they remain major thirds. If the accidentals are flats, they're still major thirds. So we can use this principle as a way of getting major thirds, but we can also use it as a way to get sixths. We can use what's called the inversion principle of 9 to figure out sixths and sevenths. What is an inversion? An inversion in music is simply when we take the bottom note and put it above to make it the top note, keeping the same pitch. So this third inverts to a sixth. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Here we have a second, and if we move that C above, it creates a seventh. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Here we have the interval of a fourth. If we bring the F above, it creates the interval of a fifth. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So we can see with each inversion, the outcome, if we add the interval numbers together, equals 9. But here is where it gets interesting. When inverting, it's helpful to know that major intervals invert to minor intervals, and minor intervals invert to major intervals. For example, a major third inverts to a minor sixth. A minor third inverts to a major sixth. This works with seconds as well. Major seconds invert to minor sevenths, and minor seconds invert to major sevenths. So you can see that if you can already identify major and minor thirds in seconds, then identifying sixths and sevenths can be done through this inversion process. Inversion is simply taking the bottom note and putting it above. Here's the interval of a sixth. We know it's a sixth by counting the lines and spaces, but we don't know what quality it is. So if we take that top note and move it below the F, we now have a third, a D to an F. If we remember CFG major 3, this is not a C, so it's a minor third. So in remembering that minor intervals invert to major intervals, we know that this minor third inverts to a major sixth. And again, this works with seconds and sevenths as well. So I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to email me. Take care.